Hello guys and welcome back for another unboxing for Mini GT Mazda RX-7. So let's open this. And here we have the amazing Mazda. I really love those rims. On the Liberty Walk logos. I'm not sure if these headlights are like they're there or they're closed, but they look good. And we have a roll cage in this as well, if you can see the red cage. Here's the bottom. This is a really nice cast and does roll perfectly. Thank you so much guys for watching another unboxing. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Do share the video. Bye bye. See you in the next one.